In this video, you'll learn how to acquire Tezos cryptocurrency using Trust Wallet. This guide will take you through the entire process, ensuring you understand each step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser, type Trust Wallet into the search bar and press enter. This action will direct you to the Trust Wallet official site, where you can access the necessary tools for your transaction. Once on the Trust Wallet site, locate the section for the Trust Wallet extension. Click on the appropriate link to open the extension interface. This extension is essential for managing your cryptocurrency directly in your browser. After accessing the Trust Wallet extension, find and click on the option labeled Fundish. This will lead you to the funding options available for your wallet, allowing you to proceed with buying cryptocurrency. Next, select the Buy Crypto option. This choice will direct you to a screen where you can choose which cryptocurrency you would like to purchase. Ensure you are connected to a stable internet connection, as this process may require some time depending on your bandwidth. After that, click on the option labeled Choose a Crypto. This will present you with a list of available cryptocurrencies that can be purchased through the wallet. Once this appears, click on the search bar to find the cryptocurrency you want. Type in Tezos and allow the search function to display the results. The search feature will help you quickly locate the Tezos cryptocurrency among many others. When the search results populate, identify the specific Tezos listing you wish to select. This is crucial as there may be different options available. Ensure you are selecting the correct asset to avoid any confusion. After finding the correct Tezos option, click on it to proceed. This action will take you to a new screen where you can specify the amount of Tezos you intend to purchase. Next, type in the amount of Tezos you want to buy. Make sure to check your available funds in your wallet to ensure that you can complete the purchase. If you are purchasing a large amount, consider that the transaction may take longer to process based on your internet speed. Following this, click on the Continue button to finalize your purchase. A confirmation screen will appear, allowing you to review your transaction details before completing the process. This confirmation step is important to ensure everything is correct. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.